In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to clean laser unit on a Brother Printer MFC 8910dw. It is super easy to do. Step 1 is access the drum unit. First, open the front cover of your printer. Here you'll see a drum unit and toner cartridge assembly. To remove it, simply lift the green handle and pull the entire unit straight out. Set it aside on a clean, flat surface, preferable on some paper to catch any toner spills. Step 2. Locate the laser scanner window. Now, look inside the printer, where you just remove the drum unit. At the top of the cavity, you will see a long, narrow glass strip running horizontally across the width of the printer. This is your printer scanner window. It's usually about the width of the pencil and spans almost the entire length of a print area. You might also see some dust, toner particles, or smudges on the glass. This is where we'll be cleaning. Step 3. Clean the laser scanner window. And here is what you need to do to actually clean it. First, you'll need to damp your lint-free cloth or cotton swab with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. You want it damp and not dripping wet. You then want to gently wipe the laser scanner window from one end to the other. Use light pressure and smooth strokes, and don't press too hard, as you could damage the glass. From here, if you're using a cotton swabs, you might need several to clean the entire length of the window. Then, after cleaning with alcohol, use a dry portion of your cloth or fresh cotton swab to remove any remaining residue and ensure the window is completely dry. From here you can inspect the window with good lighting and make sure it's completely clean and stake-free. Step 4. Reassemble. Once everything is clean and dry, then you'll need to carefully slide the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly back into the printer until it clicks into place. From here you'll need to close the front cover and plug your printer back in and turn it on. Now you can test your printer and see if everything looks how it should do, and if it didn't, you'll need to watch this video again. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!